The rise of humanoid home robots,
Good morning, your coffee.
helping with everyday tasks.
All set. Have a great day.
Picture this. You wake up, coffee already brewing, laundry folded, groceries tracked, reminders delivered with polite timing.
Wow, this is amazing!
No invisible magic, just robots quietly running the backstage of daily life. Humanoid and companion robots are no longer science fiction props. They are stepping, sometimes literally, into homes, workplaces, and social spaces. Watch this! How about that? And yes, some of them dance better than most humans. Companies like Boston Dynamics, Tesla, and Realbotics are pushing machines from industrial cages toward living rooms. The results range from practical helpers to oddly charming companions. So what is actually happening? And how close are we to robots that live with us instead of just working for us? Let's unpack it. From factory tools to household characters, robots historically had one personality: industrial efficiency. They welded cars, assembled electronics, and never complained about repetitive work. Humanoid robots changed the equation.
Look, our robot climbs stairs with 2 legs.
And its hands are so dexterous. Instead of redesigning every environment for machines, engineers design machines that fit our world. 2 legs for stairs, hands for tools, expressive faces for communication.
This approach sounds obvious, but it's extremely difficult.
Walking alone is a balancing act involving physics, perception, prediction, and constant adjustment. Add object handling, speech recognition, and social awareness, and suddenly the challenge resembles building an artificial roommate from scratch.
Yet progress has accelerated fast.
Recent humanoid prototypes walk smoothly, recover from pushes, manipulate delicate objects, and respond to voice commands. Some even perform choreographed dances that double as engineering stress tests disguised as entertainment. The tech that makes them tick. 3 major breakthroughs drive modern humanoid robotics. First, artificial intelligence perception. Robots now interpret camera feeds with neural networks trained on enormous datasets. That means better object recognition, safer navigation, and fewer awkward collisions with furniture or pets. Second, actuators and mobility. Electric motors, hydraulic systems, and improved battery tech allow stronger yet more precise movement. Walking, lifting, and balancing have become dramatically more stable. Third, human-robot interaction. Speech models, emotional recognition experiments, and behavioral programming make robots easier to communicate with. Even simple gestures or eye movements can make interaction feel more natural. Put these together and you get machines that no longer just execute commands, they participate in environments.
Sometimes awkwardly, sometimes impressively, always interesting.
Companion robots. Utility meets emotion. Household robots are not only about chores, some aim to fill social roles. Companion robotics explores how machines can reduce loneliness, assist elderly individuals, support therapy, or provide interactive entertainment.
Realistic facial expressions, conversational AI, and responsive movement help create emotional engagement.
This raises fascinating psychological questions. Humans naturally attribute personality to moving objects. A vacuum robot stuck under a couch already gets sympathy. A humanoid robot that nods, gestures, or speaks politely can trigger surprisingly strong emotional responses. Engineers walk a fine line here. Too mechanical feels cold. Too human-like can feel unsettling. That uncanny valley effect still challenges designers. Still, acceptance is growing, especially when robots provide clear benefits like safety monitoring, medication reminders, or accessibility support.
The Atlas-style athletic robots.
Some robots focus less on companionship and more on physical capability. Athletic humanoid platforms demonstrate agility, balance, and adaptability. Parkour runs, backflips, coordinated dances. They look like stunts, but function as proof that machines can operate in unpredictable, real-world terrain. Why does this matter for homes? Because a household is basically an obstacle course. Uneven floors, stairs, dropped objects, pets, furniture rearranged on a whim. A robot that can handle chaos safely becomes genuinely useful. Robust mobility also opens doors for disaster response, delivery logistics, and healthcare assistance. Entertainment value today often becomes utility tomorrow. The Tesla Vision, general-purpose helpers. Some companies aim for a universal home assistant robot. The idea, one humanoid platform capable of many everyday tasks. Carry groceries, sort laundry, assist with cooking prep, monitor home security. Possibly even learn new skills through observation. The key concept is scalability. If a robot shares software DNA with autonomous vehicles or AI cloud systems, improvements can spread rapidly across fleets. That could push costs down and adoption up. But general-purpose robotics remains extremely complex. Human homes are messy, unpredictable ecosystems.
Challenges still standing tall. Despite the hype, several hurdles remain.
Cost. Advanced humanoid robots are still expensive. Mass adoption depends on cheaper hardware and longer battery life. Safety. Robots interacting closely with humans must meet strict safety standards. One misjudged movement could cause injury. Ethics and privacy. Home robots may process sensitive data. Cameras, microphones, behavioral tracking. Trust will be essential. Social acceptance. Not everyone wants a robot roommate. Cultural attitudes vary widely.
Welcome! We're so excited to have you!
No thanks. Technology often moves faster than comfort levels.
What the near future probably looks like. Instead of a sudden robot takeover, expect gradual integration. Specialized helpers first, cleaning bots, delivery bots, eldercare assistants. Then hybrid companions, functional machines with social features. Hello, friend. Let's dance. Eventually, more general humanoid helpers once costs drop and reliability rises. Think evolution, not revolution.
And yes, there will still be viral dance videos along the way.
Yes! High five!
Engineers enjoy showing off too.
Humanoid robots sit at a strange intersection of engineering, psychology, economics, and imagination. They reflect what we want machines to do and, quietly, what we want them to be. Helpers, tools, companions, maybe even collaborators. Whether they become household staples or remain niche assistants depends not only on technology, but on how comfortable humans feel sharing space with mechanical intelligence.
One thing is certain, the robots are no longer waiting in the wings. They are stepping onto the stage, carefully, occasionally awkwardly, unmistakably forward.
Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications.